What's good, YouTube? It's your man BG Tech Life, and as you can see, got the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra on deck, and it is definitely a big day over at Samsung. They released the beta Android 16 One UI 8 software specifically for the S25 series, S25, S25 Plus, and S25 Ultra. So I decided to try it out on my S25 Ultra. Now I made this video because I'm going to show y'all how to get the software if you want to try it out. And then I'm going to give y'all my thoughts. Let's get into it. Okay, YouTube, like I said, we got One UI 8, Android 16 on the S25 Ultra beta, of course. I woke up this morning, seeing some things on some social about this software. Definitely was on, a little scared to try it out, but I decided to try it out. I seen some tweets that said it seemed like it was pretty stable and there wasn't a whole lot of differences. So, first and foremost, let me show y'all what I got. Now, as y'all can see right here, we got One UI 8 beta. Welcome to the One UI 8 beta. This is early chance, whatever, to try out the new software and give feedback. As we look down, you can see we got One UI 8.0, Android version 16. Now, this is about 3.5 gig file right here. So definitely a big update for your S25, or a big beta update for your S25 if you want to try it out. Now, if you want to try it out, all I had to do basically was go to my Samsung folder. It's an app called Members. So I go to Samsung Members, and when you go to Samsung Members, it pulls up some different things, talking about Samsung. But right here, if you keep just sliding over, it eventually brings up the beta software, and that is One UI beta program. As you can see, S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra. And basically all I had to do was join the beta program and then give you an opportunity to share feedback and things of that nature. Once you join the beta program, all you had to do was go to software update, download and install, and it will tell you about, well, the beta is already on mine, but it will tell you, okay, this is the beta software. Do you want to install? Just like you would get any other software update. So first and foremost, I haven't noticed too much new or different on this software update, guys. I'm gonna be honest with you. And my thoughts on this software update, I think One UI 7 was the big update as far as looks go on Samsung. That was going to give us this new look, this new style. But I think One UI 8, I think Samsung is just playing catch up. They know One UI 7 rollout was really slow. It went to different devices at different times and was really sloppy. So I think with One UI 8, they're going to update a couple things per Google and maybe put a couple touches a couple different places, because there are some changes, but they so minute that you really have to go through the device to even see them or recognize the changes. And I feel like they're going to use Android 16, One UI 8, just to kind of like put everything from Android 15, One UI 7 behind them, as far as how slow the rollout was and how it only came out on a specific device. And then, it was slow to go to other older devices and things of that nature. So I feel like they're going to not do too much when it comes to Android 16, update a couple things, and be able to put it out way faster and in a way more universal way than they did Android 15. Now, one of the things that I've seen that have changed, and it was pointed out to me, and I haven't really noticed too much else, was the weather app. So if I click on weather, the weather app, this kind of reminds me of the Pixel, nice clean weather app with a lot of information going on. But outside of this weather app, I haven't noticed too much change. I thought these briefs like the now bar, stuff like that, would change a whole lot. But clicking on the now bar really just does the same thing that it's been doing the whole time it's been out on my S25 Ultra. Not too much, just weather and a piece of news that I'm not interested in. So that's just still something they got to work on. Hopefully in the beta phase, the now bar does more and give you more information in line with the things that you're looking for. But yeah, guys, so it's out, guys. Android 16, One UI beta for the S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra. Haven't noticed any issues, hiccups, or bugs. It's pretty smooth so far, but I've only had it a couple hours. Been checking it out and playing with the device. Now there are some small changes under the hood, but we're not going to get into that today. I'm going to actually utilize this a little bit more, and then you know how I do. I'll come back with like a S25 Ultra after Android 16 One UI 8 type review for y'all. But I wanted to share this information with y'all. It's your boy BG Tech Life. Thanks for watching. Make sure you hit the like button. If you're not subscribed, get subscribed. I'm out. Peace.